Right, this is PRAW checking in. No doubt my little assistant will be butting in a minute. What? Right. Box. Battery, charger. Fixing silicon. Fixing rings. eBay Lite. Do you know how much that was? Under £5. Yes, under £5. They say that's 5,000 lumens. I don't know if it is or it isn't, but whatever the measured lumens are, who knows. But I've tested it, it's pretty bright. There's 3 settings: low, medium and high, which is pretty bright for under £5, right? It'd be interesting to see how long it lasts, because I have a China eBay Lite from, I bet it was 2 or 3 years ago now. It didn't fail, but the bracket on it was shit, so I didn't want to use it. But we're going to see how we get on with that for £4.98, I think, people. So I'm actually going to go out for a ride right now, and hopefully we can see in some dark places how bright this thing is. But quality of it looks pretty good. I've tested it on the high setting, just like obviously with no wind hammering the front of it. It does get pretty hot. I guess that's why they've incorporated those, which look like they're off a amplifier or something. But see you in a minute on the road.
I can't see no dinosaurs. Dinosaur hunting. I would legit shit myself looking at something now.
It's a good test, isn't it?
On a cobweb afternoon in a room full of emptiness by freeway, I confess I was lost in the pages of a book full of death, reading how